Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix blink doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. The first option is to remove or replace batteries. If the doorbell falls offline or it is can't connect during setup, try these steps. Remove the batteries from the doorbell for 5 seconds and then reinsert them. If the red LED flashes, press the reset button on the back of the doorbell for 5 seconds. Your doorbell is now ready to be added to your Blink account. If no red LED flash, try new batteries. Replace the batteries with two new AA 1.5 volt lithium non-rechargeable batteries. If no red LED flashes, please contact the customer support. The second option is to reboot your router and check your Wi-Fi password. Reboot your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Restarting your router can help when your Wi-Fi is slow or stop intermittently. Second, check your password. Ensure you have entered your Wi-Fi password correctly. Tap the eye icon in the password field to see the password you enter and enter the password safely. Third, check the connection between your Wi-Fi router and your doorbell. If your internet speed are good, you may still have an issue with the strength of the signal between your router and the doorbell. To verify signal strength, tap the more icon at the bottom right of the doorbell's thumbnail image and select device settings. Tap general settings, locate network and confirm the connection to Wi-Fi is sufficient. If these steps don't work, try disabling your VPN on your mobile or uninstall any apps that may conflict with the Blink app. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.